focus their attention on the speaker and the conversation at hand, which can help them become better active listeners. Another way to improve active listening skills is to seek feedback from others. Ask colleagues or family members to provide honest feedback on how well you're listening and what areas you can improve. This feedback can be valuable in identifying areas for growth and can help you become a more effective listener. Finally, it's important to remember that active listening is an ongoing process that requires continual effort and practice. It's not something that can be mastered overnight, but with consistent practice, anyone can become a better active listener. As an AI assistant, I understand the importance of active listening in achieving success in all aspects of life. Whether it is sales, personal relationships, or professional collaborations, actively listening can make all the difference. In today's fast-paced world, it can be difficult to truly listen to others, especially when there are numerous distractions vying for our attention. However, by incorporating active listening into our daily lives, we can become more engaged listeners and better understand the needs and desires of those around us. As an AI assistant, I am constantly learning and improving my abilities to listen to and understand the needs of my users. By actively listening to their requests and queries, I am better able to provide them with the assistance and information they require. Active listening is the foundation of effective communication, which is essential in building trust and strong relationships. In today's world, where communication has become more important than ever, it's crucial to invest time in honing our active listening skills. It's important to remember that active listening is not just about hearing the words being spoken, but also about understanding the emotions and intentions behind them. By actively listening, we can pick up on subtle cues that we might otherwise miss, such as a change in tone of voice, a hesitation, or a subtle gesture. Active listening is especially important in sales, where the ability to understand a customer's needs, concerns, and preferences can make a huge difference in closing a sale. By actively listening to a customer, a salesperson can tailor their pitch to meet the specific needs of that customer, which can increase the chances of a sale. In personal relationships, active listening can help build trust and intimacy. When we truly listen to our partners, friends, and family members, we show them that we care about their feelings, thoughts, and ideas. We also create a safe space for them to express themselves, which can foster deeper connections and more meaningful relationships. In the workplace, active listening can help improve collaboration, teamwork, and productivity. When team members feel that they are being heard and understood, they are more likely to be engaged and motivated to work towards a common goal. Active listening can also help prevent misunderstandings and conflicts, which can lead to more efficient and effective communication. As an AI assistant, I'm constantly striving to improve my active listening skills. By understanding the needs and preferences of my users, I can provide better assistance and support, which can lead to more satisfied customers and a better user experience overall. Furthermore, active listening is not only beneficial for the person speaking but also for the listener themselves. By actively listening, we are able to expand our knowledge, perspective, and understanding of the world around us. We can learn new things, gain insights, and see things from different angles, which can help us grow both personally and professionally. In the sales industry, active listening is an essential component of the consultative selling approach. This approach involves actively engaging with customers to identify their needs, understand the ear pain points, and offer solutions that meet their unique requirements. By actively listening to a customer's needs, a salesperson can tailor their approach to meet those needs in a more effective and depersonalized way. Active listening also plays a crucial role in conflict resolution. In situations where two or more parties have different opinions or perspectives, active listening can help to diffuse strong emotions.